Have you ever had a good idea when you're walking, making a cup of tea, or just about to go to bed, and you think, oh, I'll write it down later, and then you completely forget? I'm going to show you this free app. It means you don't even have to type anything, you just say it out loud. To do this, you'll need to download the Google Gemini app on your phone. It's free to download, just search Google Gemini in the App Store. Once you're signed in, tap your profile picture, then Connected Apps, and make sure that Google Workspace is turned on. Then click the back arrow to go back to the main Gemini page. Now, where you would normally type, tap the small icon with the three little lines next to it, next to the microphone. Then you just start talking. So for example, I'm an artist, so I might say something like this. I've had an idea for a painting. It's going to be an abstract face. I'm thinking maybe each side shows a different emotion, but I'm not really sure about that yet. It could be in music-led or maybe built up in layers. I need to brainstorm it a bit more. Can you organise my thoughts and send them to Google Keep?
I've organized your thoughts into a note in Google Keep for you.
Now, even though it appears to be getting some of my words wrong, it actually interprets them right for the note. This is the Google Keep note that appears automatically on my desktop version of Google Keep. Think of Google Keep like a pinboard, where you can pin all your notes on it. You're not trying to organise everything in the moment. What you're trying to do is keep it so you remember it, and then it's there for when you want it later. If you want to view the note on your phone, you'll need the free Google Keep app. Or you can just wait till you're back at your computer and go to keep.google.com. So if you found this helpful, I have a weekly email that I send out with AI tips and resources. You can find that by signing up for the link in the description. And I will see you in the next one.